Okay, now we are recording, and now we are one more time. Today, we are not going to study a unit of the book, okay? We are going to study, we are going to have a conversation class, all right?
All
If,
right.
if I start to speak too fast, you ask, please slow down. Please don't speak so fast. We are not understanding, okay? And then I will try to speak more slowly. All right?
All right.
All right, good. Okay. Um, we have planned to talk about technology today. Am I right? So, can any one of you say anything about technology? Did you prepare a sentence or anything? Can you say anything about technology? Who is the first?
I repeat, please, for teacher.
You can say anything about technology. Okay? Right,
Okay.
right now. Did you prepare a sentence about technology? You can say it.
Okay.
Okay?
And I think this technology is everywhere, and 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 in everything we find it. Okay.
Yes, okay. That's true. I agree.
I am I am look at the cell phone,
Yes.
and I am remember, oh, uh, when I see my cell phone, I see uh, many technologies, because we can to do many things. Okay. uh,
Yes.
uh, even phone too. uh,
Exactly. Exactly.
Então, my cell phone is very I don't know, necessary for me,
Exactly.
because I it's right.
It's right. It's
Because I use uh, it or him for to write some works, some sermons, uh, for to do research. Research. Okay.
exactly very good. Very
There's
good.
so
Research.
I I I need very cell phone.
Very good. Very good, Josemar. Congratulations for your point that you have showed, that you have made. Okay, very good. Very good speaking. Very good conversation. Very good vocabulary. Congratulations one more time. So you are saying
Thank,
that
thank
um, you remember when we didn't have this technology, right? We used to have a phone at our homes. We used to have a mobile or a cell phone, but you didn't have all the resource you have today. Today, it's very useful. You can do almost everything with a cell phone nowadays, right? So you can communicate with people, but you can also organize your life. You can prepare uh, your sermons for a presentation, for a preaching in the church, right? And you can do anything. So, of course, it's very useful, it's very important, and some people cannot live without this thing anymore. I hope we are not one of those people, but we have to we have to agree that it is really important in our lives today, nowadays. Okay, very good, very good.
Okay.
Anyone else? Guilherme, Rafael? I don't know who is Moto E right there. I don't know who is there. There is no identification. You can talk.
Please, I think manifest evolution. Manifest evolution.
I'm sorry, Rafael. Can you say that again, please?
I think very, very fast evolution.
Exactly, exactly. I agree with you. I agree with you. It was a really fast evolution of technology. Exactly. And I agree with Rafael. When Rafael says that it is fast, it's because if you think about the old times, about all the history of the humanity, technology didn't advance until very recently. So what I'm saying is that from the age of stone, which is what you can see here, from the age of stone to the age of phone, it was a really large period of time. So what Rafael is saying is that really recently, I mean, from the last 200 years until now, technology has had fast advancement. Okay, it has advanced really, really fast, and it's still advancing really, really fast. Okay, very good, Rafael. Very good. I agree with you, and I think it's gonna be even faster in the future. Okay, thank you. Anyone else? Guilherme?
Eu tava montando uma frase aqui.
Okay, very good. You can say your sentence. You can read it. No
Daqui a
problem.
pouco eu falo.
Okay, no problem. I will wait.
Eu falo. E agora, mas como que eu vou aqui?
Vamos, você tá ali.
Okay, Diogo is there. Diogo is there. I didn't know. Hello, Diogo. You can say anything.
Hello, brother.
Hello, Diogo.
Hello, guys. Technology is a term that involves the technical and scientific knowledge and the application of this knowledge. Peraí, deixa eu desligar o celular aqui.
Okay, no problem.
Technology of this knowledge through it. Transformation in the use of true process and materials. Create and use from such knowledge. Depending, nossa, como fala? Depending of the context, the technologies can be tools and machines that help solve problems.
Very, very good. Very good, Diogo. It's a great research, man. A great research. And it's really rich of information. Okay, you were talking about, you were saying that technology is connect to knowledge, right? Knowledge. So the human beings is acquiring more and more knowledge. All right, and because of that, we are developing more and more technologies. So of course, and the use of technology is very good so that we can solve problems. Very good. This is really, really important. Science is advancing day after day. And the great deal of all is that when we are improving our technology, we are also improving our capacity to solve problems. Very good. For example, if I have to, in the past, people would like to talk to one another from a distance, all right? This is a problem. They couldn't talk to a person if the person was too far. It was impossible. So it was a problem. And how did they solve the problem? They created the telephone. So technology helps solve problems. Very good. Very, very good. Congratulations for your research. Congratulations, Diogo.
Thanks, brother.
Okay. Now it's Guilherme's turn.
Agora sim.
Pode começar?
Yes, of course. You can. You can start anytime.
For many are different technology than today.
Very good.
Mais devagar.
Can you say that again? Yes, slowly. Say
Bem
that.
devagar.
For many are different technologies than today.
Very good. What you were saying is that there are many different technologies. All right. In the past, we didn't have so many different technologies as we do today. Okay, as we have today, right? So there are many different technologies, and different problems are being solved through those technology. Okay.
Ok.
Very good, Guilherme. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Okay. Let's go to the second picture. Okay, what we have here. What do you see, Josemar, in the picture?
I can see some men
Yes.
work with fire. I can see some tree, and but I don't talk about how como eles estão trabalhando, desculpa.
What they are doing with the fire,
Isso.
right?
Right.
Well, very good, very good, and good observation. You can see men, and all of them are setting fire in something. They are burning something, right? This picture is to show something related to the discovery of fire. Okay, fire.
No.
Fire was discovered many, many times ago, many, many years ago. Okay, the man discovered.
Cover. No, I don't stand cover.
Discover. You understand? Discover. For
Discover.
example,
No.
for example, this is a bottle. If I
Okay.
could say I invented the bottle. I discovered the light. I discovered the fire. Do you understand now?
Okay.
Very good. So men have discovered the fire many, many years ago. Okay?
Okay.
Many years ago. And they started to use the fire for what? They used the fire to cook their food, right? They used the fire to keep warm. Okay, if it was really cold, they used the fire to keep warm and to keep safe, and even to survive. okay, in cold weathers. When they had really cold weather, they needed fire to keep warm. All right, do you understand?
Yes.
Of course, fire is a great technology. It's a great technology. And today, as we can study, as scientists that we can study the fire. We can understand what the fire is. Okay? We can have many details about fire. So it's really different because when men discovered fire, they didn't know what the fire was. But now we can say that fire is a chemical reaction. All right?
No, no, I don't understand.
If some people say, what is fire? What
Okay.
is fire? The answer would be fire is a chemical reaction.
Okay, okay.
You understand? Very good.
Reação química.
So the fire is a chemical reaction. And for this chemical reaction to happen, it is necessary three elements. Oxygen, heat, and a fuel. Fuel is what you burn. For example, in this case, in the picture here, the fuel is the wood. Okay? The wood is burning, so the fuel is the wood. You have to put more wood so that the fire increases, so that the fire is kept alive. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. And now, if we talk about the technology we have today, we use fire every day, right? How do we use fire, for example?
Fire. And I use fire to cook.
Exactly.
In food.
I use fire to
In food. In food.
food.
Make
Exatamente.
food. To make food.
And
Very good.
to boil water.
Very good. To boil water.
To make coffee.
To make coffee every day.
Coffee.
Very good.
I
Sinalizador.
You use fire all the time, every day. Okay? All right? We cannot live without fire today. You have to use it all the time. But the technology involved in cooking some food or in boiling some water is really complex and really interesting. Okay, for example, how can you boil water on your stove? What do? You have to have gas, okay, which is the fuel, and you have to have fire. You have to have heat, which is a spark. That spark to light the fire, okay? So you need it. And again, a chemical reaction is happening. When you are driving your car has an engine, right? The engine of your car.
Motor.
Exactly. The engine of your car is an internal combustion engine. So there is combustion inside of the engine. There is fire inside of the engine. And there is fuel, of course. There is gas, right? So when you are driving your car, you are burning fuel. There is fire inside of it. And this is a really high technology. We can conclude that, all right?
I don't stand philo.
Fuel. The word is fuel. I'm going to write it. Just a moment, please. I will write it here so that you can see. Okay? I will write the word fuel right here. Take a look. Fuel. Can you see it?
Ah, ok.
Fuel.
Ah, sim.
Okay, you got it. The word fuel. Fuel is necessary. Is
Não
necessary.
sabia, não, que fio era combustível?
Eu não sabia como escrevia como palavra.
Eu
Very,
sabia.
very smart, Guilherme.
É que nos jogos aparece muito isso.
Very good. So games, we say games are very important to learn English, right? If you talk about video game, you are talking about a technology. So this is a very useful technology. You can play games, you can have fun, and you can learn English. So it's very useful. Very good. Let's go to the next picture. What do you see?
O que você vê aí, Guilherme?
Ah, 3 telefones.
Então fala, em inglês.
3 phones.
Eu não sei.
I see 3 phones.
3 phones. Very good, Guilherme. What else? Diogo, Rafael, talk to.
Billboard.
I'm sorry, what?
A billboard.
Billboard.
É, não, quadro.
A picture,
Quadro
a board. Yes,
O que é
there is a picture on the wall. Very good. A picture.
billboard, brother?
I'm sorry?
What's the signification?
What mean?
What do you mean?
Repeat that, please.
Billboard.
Billboard.
A board. It's a picture.
Não, billboard. Vou escrever aqui na tela.
Oh, right there. Let me try to see.
Nossa, não dá nem pra escrever.
Oh, no.
Nossa, velho.
Só deu B.
Diogo,
Oi.
spell the word.
Spell?
Spell,
Fala as letras.
Essa letra.
Ah, tá.
actually, it's B.
B,
Okay.
B, A, L, L, B, B, O, U.
You say B-I. B-I.
Ó, deixa eu escrever aqui, eu não sei se escreve.
B-I, not B-A.
Just moment.
Okay, no problem.
Ah,
Billboard.
B-I-L-L-B-U. Não, O-R. Não. B-I-L-L-B-O-A-R-D.
Okay, billboard. Billboard. Exactly. No, I got it. When you have this is not a billboard. This is not a billboard. It's a board.
É o quadro.
You can say it's a board. You can say it's a picture, but you cannot say it's a billboard because a billboard, it's a board when you have an information about something. You have a warning, okay? You have a notice. For example, don't smoke. If you have a board on the wall and it's written, don't smoke. It's forbidden to smoke. And then it's a billboard. Okay?
Uma placa, sinalização?
Exactly. Or, for example, we are closed for lunch. You understand?
Yeah,
It's a billboard. It's a billboard. A billboard is a notice. There is a notice written. Okay?
Ok.
Very good. Very good. But here we have a picture. Okay? We have a picture and we have a joke. Do you understand joke?
No.
Joke. J.
É palhaço, pai.
No,
Yes?
no, no. Joke.
Coringa é Joker.
Very good, Guilherme. Very good. But what we have here is that joke is something that makes you laugh. I tell you a joke, and then you, ha ha ha, ha, very good. You understand?
Piada, piada.
Exactly. This is the word. Joke. I'm not gonna write it, but the word is joke. Joke. I'm sorry. Joke. Okay?
Joke.
Joke. And here we have a joke. Joke. Here we have a joke. Can you read this for me, please? Can you read the balloon here?
That's right, dear. Our ancestors had tails.
Okay,
Essas
very good.
frases atrás.
Our ancestors had tails. Okay? Do you understand why this is a joke? Because we have here two cell phones, okay? Apparently they are a couple because one cell phone says, that's right there, okay? That's right, honey. Our ancestors, okay? It means our grandfather had tails. Had tails. Okay, this is the tail. This is the tail. So if you compare a cell phone with an old phone, you could say that the old phones had tails, okay? Do you understand tail?
Yes.
It's the,
Cauda.
okay, very good. It's just to make a joke about the difference between the new cell phones and the old phones, old-fashioned phones that we have in the past, okay? And do you think that this type of telephone is still useful? What do you think?
I don't understand, brother.
Do you think that this type of phone, this type here, is still useful today? Do you use it today?
I don't have. Não existe mais. How to say?
We don't
I don't
anymore.
anymore.
Yes,
Não existe mais desse tipo de telefone, eu acho.
Yes. Yes.
Tem aquela de fundo, mas não jogou fora.
Yeah, some place you can find it, but people don't use it anymore. Actually, I think that people are not talking on the phone anymore. People are not calling each other anymore. Hello, how are you doing? Oh, I'm very fine. No. Now it's just WhatsApp, text, or a voice message. Hello, how are you doing? Boop. Right? That's what we have today.
It's true.
So we can see that the more the technology advances, the less we talk to one another. Okay? This is happening. Very good. Okay, I'm gonna skip this one and this one. I want to talk about this one here. This is what we are talking about right now. Can you read that for me, please? Any one of you?
I'm sorry, teacher. I don't understand.
Can you read the conversation here? Can you read for me, please? Read.
Okay.
Okay.
Before a smartphone.
Before smartphones.
Antes.
Exactly.
How old is Barbara Streisand?
Yes, Tyson. It's I think it's Germany. Okay, it's German. How old?
What Streisand?
Yeah.
Ah, é o sobrenome today?
It's a name.
Ah,
A name? It's name?
It's a name.
Ah.
Okay, it's a surname. You have a first name and you have a last name. Okay, or a
Okay.
so it's Barbara Streisand. It's her name.
I think is word.
Oh no, it's a name.
Okay.
And then
I think she's 71.
okay.
Really? Whoa.
Really? Wow.
Ah, really? Wow.
Okay. And then
Who's Barbara Streisand?
okay, so here you have a full conversation. You have a family drinking some juice together. Okay, they are on the table together and they are talking to one another. All right? Before smartphones, people used to talk to one another. They used to have a conversation. And then after smartphones, what happened? What happened?
Cannot say.
we are
Can I tell?
talking, but we are using smartphone.
Exactly, they are using smartphone to text, to communicate. They are probably communicating, but they are not talking to one another. Okay, so there is a danger here. We start to use the smartphone